In this Money Smart Basic video, we want to welcome you to our Beginner's Guide to Real Estate Investing, step-by-step tutorial, where we'll walk you through the basics of getting started in real estate. We will show you the exact steps to start investing in real estate, even if you're a complete beginner. Let's get that first property together. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment for more Money Smart Basics videos. Stay until the end to receive a bonus tip. Hey everyone and welcome. Ever thought about building wealth through real estate? It might seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. We're breaking down the basics, making real estate investing understandable and achievable. Get ready to unlock the secrets of successful real estate investing. Real estate has long been a proven path to financial freedom. It's about creating lasting wealth and securing your financial well-being. The aim is to empower you with the confidence to take that first step towards financial independence. Real estate investing offers stability and growth potential. Unlike the stock market, real estate is a tangible asset you can control. It has the potential for passive income. Imagine a steady stream of rental income providing financial security. Paying down your mortgage builds equity, increasing your net worth. Real estate offers tax advantages that boost your returns. It empowers you to be your own boss and control your financial destiny. In this video, we'll focus on 4 popular real estate investment strategies: bird dogging, wholesaling, rehabbing, and rental properties. Each strategy offers a unique approach to generating profits and building wealth. Bird dogging is perfect for beginners with limited capital. It involves finding undervalued properties and connecting them with investors. Wholesaling focuses on securing properties under contract and assigning them for a profit. Rehabbing involves purchasing distressed properties, renovating them, and selling for a profit. Rental properties provide passive income and long-term wealth. These strategies offer a roadmap to success in real estate investing. Bird dogging, sometimes called property scouting, is like being a real estate detective. It's about using your knowledge and instincts to uncover hidden gems in the real estate market. As a bird dog, you're not buying or selling properties yourself. You're the one who finds the deals and connects the dots. Think of it like this. You're the scout, the eagle-eyed observer who spots the opportunities that others might miss. You're looking for properties with untapped potential, properties that might not be listed publicly or might be overlooked by traditional buyers. These properties could be distressed, meaning they need some work or are in a state of disrepair, or they could be undervalued, meaning they're priced below market value for various reasons, such as a motivated seller needing to liquidate assets quickly. Your job is to identify these diamonds in the rough, gather the necessary information, and then present them to real estate investors who have the capital and expertise to take advantage of these opportunities. You're the bridge between undervalued properties and eager investors. Bird dogging is a fantastic way to break into the real estate industry with minimal risk and little to no upfront capital. It's all about leveraging your time, knowledge, and networking skills to create win-win situations for yourself and investors. Becoming a bird dog doesn't require a real estate license or years of experience. It's about taking initiative, building your knowledge, and networking with the right people. First, educate yourself. Learn the fundamentals of real estate investing. Understand what makes a good investment property and how to analyze deals. Focus on a specific type of property or geographic area. Network with investors and build relationships. Scout for deals and look for signs of distress or properties priced below market value. Present your findings to potential investors and negotiate a finder's fee. Bird dogging offers numerous benefits, especially for those new to real estate investing. Here are some compelling reasons why bird dogging might be the perfect starting point for your real estate journey. First, low startup costs. Unlike other real estate investment strategies, bird dogging requires minimal upfront capital or sweat equity. You don't need to buy properties, secure financing, or manage renovations. Second, flexibility and freedom. Bird dogging allows you to set your own hours and work at your own pace. You can pursue it part-time, alongside your current job, or make it your full-time focus. Third, invaluable learning experience. As a bird dog, you gain first-hand knowledge of the real estate market, learn how to analyze deals, and build relationships with experienced investors. Fourth, networking opportunities. Bird dogging provides a platform to connect with other real estate professionals, including investors, agents, contractors, and attorneys, expanding your network and potential opportunities. Lastly, potential for passive income. As you gain experience and build a reputation as a reliable bird dog, you can create a steady stream of passive income by consistently finding and referring profitable deals to investors. Bird dogging is a stepping stone to bigger things in real estate. It allows you to dip your toes into the water, learn the ropes, and build a solid foundation for future success in the industry. Bird dogging has its own set of advantages and disadvantages. Let's start with the pros. Low barrier to entry, minimal capital and experience needed, flexibility and control, learn by doing, networking opportunities, build relationships, potential for passive income. Now, the cons. Income fluctuations, rejection and competition, dependence on investors, limited control over deals, potential for legal issues. Operate ethically to avoid legal complications. Let's bring bird dogging to life with a real-world example. Imagine Sarah, a recent college graduate with limited capital but a strong desire to break into real estate investing. She learns about bird dogging and decides to give it a try. Sarah starts by educating herself on real estate fundamentals and networking with local investors at real estate meetups. She focuses on finding distressed properties in up-and-coming neighborhoods, knowing that investors are always looking for undervalued assets with high potential. While driving around one day, Sarah notices a vacant house with overgrown grass and peeling paint. She researches the property online, discovers it's been vacant for months, and contacts the owner, who's eager to sell due to financial hardship. Sarah negotiates a below-market price with the owner and presents the deal to an investor she met at a meetup. The investor is impressed with Sarah's due diligence and agrees to purchase the property, giving Sarah a handsome finder's fee for her efforts. This success story highlights the power of bird dogging. With persistence, resourcefulness, and a keen eye for opportunity, Sarah was able to create a win-win situation for herself and the investor, all while gaining valuable experience and building her network in the real estate market. Wholesaling real estate is like being a real estate matchmaker, connecting motivated sellers with eager investors. Instead of selling properties, wholesalers flip contracts, acting as intermediaries. It's a fast-paced, strategy-driven approach, yielding impressive profits with minimal capital. Find a property with potential needing work. The owner is motivated to sell quickly, negotiate a favorable price, secure the property under contract, and find an investor. The difference between your purchase price and the selling price is your profit. Wholesalers identify undervalued properties, negotiate deals, and connect with investors. It's a business built on relationships, market knowledge, and quick action. Wholesaling thrives on finding off-market deals, often hidden from traditional buyers. Wholesalers provide a valuable service to both sellers and investors. They help sellers unload properties quickly and provide investors with lucrative deals. Wholesaling involves a systematic approach from identifying deals to collecting profits. First, find motivated sellers. Success hinges on finding owners eager to sell below market value. Next, negotiate a win-win deal. Secure the property under contract. Market the contract to investors. Finally, assign the contract and get paid. Unlocking the benefits of wholesaling: low capital, high reward. Wholesaling offers minimal capital requirements, fast turnaround, high returns, flexibility, and valuable market knowledge. Weighing the pros and cons: is wholesaling right for you? Pros include low capital, fast profits, and market experience. Cons involve income fluctuations, competition, and legal risks. Wholesaling in action: a real-life success story. Mark, a former teacher, achieved financial freedom through wholesaling by leveraging market knowledge and negotiation skills. Understanding rehabbing is about transforming houses and building profits. Rehabbing involves buying distressed properties, renovating them, and selling for profit, requiring vision, skills, and resources. Rehabbing properties involves a systematic approach. Key steps: Find a property, estimate costs, secure financing, oversee renovations, and sell for profit. Rehabbing offers financial rewards and creative fulfillment. Advantages include high profit potential, creative control, tangible asset ownership, forced appreciation, and networking opportunities. Weighing the pros and cons, is rehabbing right for you? Pros: high profits, creative control, tangible assets. Cons: capital intensive, unexpected expenses, and market volatility. Rehabbing in action, a real-life transformation story. Emily turned a drab bungalow into a stylish home, yielding substantial profit and solidifying her reputation. Unlocking passive income, the appeal of rental properties. Rental properties offer passive income, capital appreciation, and tangible ownership, providing financial security and long-term wealth. Building a rental property portfolio, a step-by-step guide. Steps: market research, financial analysis, secure financing, prepare property, market, screen tenants, and manage effectively. Benefits of rental property investing. Rental property investing offers financial and lifestyle benefits, making it an attractive strategy. Key advantages include passive income, long-term wealth building, and tax advantages. Rental properties generate a consistent stream of passive income. You build equity over time, increasing your net worth. Tax deductions can significantly reduce your tax liability. Real estate is an inflation hedge, protecting your investment. Real estate is a tangible asset you can control. Section 4. Navigating the challenges, pros, and cons of rental properties. While rental property investing offers numerous advantages, it's essential to approach this strategy with a realistic understanding of both its potential rewards and its inherent challenges. Here's a balanced perspective on the pros and cons. Pros: passive income. Generate a steady stream of income without actively working for it. Long-term wealth. Build equity, benefit from appreciation, and create generational wealth. Tax advantages: reduce your tax liability through various real estate deductions. Inflation hedge: protect your investment from the eroding effects of inflation. Tangible asset: own a physical property that provides a sense of security. Leverage opportunities: control larger assets with smaller upfront investments. Cons: capital intensive. Acquiring and managing rental properties requires significant capital. Unexpected expenses: property repairs, vacancies, and tenant issues can lead to unexpected costs. Tenant management: dealing with tenants can be challenging, requiring time, patience, and effective communication. Market volatility: real estate markets fluctuate, potentially impacting property values and rental income. Time commitment: managing properties, even with property managers, requires time and effort. Legal responsibilities: landlords have legal obligations to tenants, requiring compliance with. Let's illustrate the power of long-term rental property investing with a story of generational wealth creation. Meet the Rodriguez family, who, for over 3 decades, have built a legacy of financial security and freedom through strategic real estate investments. It all started with Maria and Miguel Rodriguez, immigrants who instilled in their children the value of hard work, saving, and investing in tangible assets. With their combined savings, they purchased their first rental property, a modest duplex in a working-class neighborhood. Living frugally and managing the property themselves, they diligently reinvested rental income, gradually paying down their mortgage while saving for another investment. Over the years, they acquired a handful of well-maintained rental properties, creating a steady stream of passive income that supplemented their primary incomes and provided financial stability. Their children, inspired by their parents' success, adopted a similar approach, purchasing their own rental properties as they progressed in their careers. The family's portfolio grew, generating increasing passive income and building generational wealth that would benefit not only their children, but also their grandchildren. Today, the Rodriguez family enjoys financial freedom thanks to their long-term vision and commitment to rental property investing. Their story exemplifies how strategic real estate investments, coupled with hard work, patience, and a long-term perspective, can create a legacy of financial security and opportunity for generations to come. As we've explored today, the world of real estate investing offers diverse paths to building wealth and achieving financial independence. Whether you're drawn to the low-capital entry point of bird dogging or wholesaling, the creative fulfillment of rehabbing, or the passive income potential of rental properties, there's a strategy that aligns with your individual goals, resources, and risk tolerance. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach to real estate investing. The key is to identify the strategy that resonates most with your strengths, interests, and long-term vision. Are you a natural connector who enjoys networking and spotting opportunities? Bird dogging or wholesaling might be your calling. Do you have a passion for design and a knack for seeing potential in overlooked properties? Rehabbing could be your path to success. Or perhaps you're seeking a more passive approach to building wealth through steady income and long-term appreciation. Rental properties might be your ideal fit. The beauty of real estate investing lies in its flexibility and adaptability. You can start small, learn as you go, and gradually scale your investments as your knowledge, experience, and capital grow. It's a journey of continuous learning, strategic decision-making, and the unwavering pursuit of your financial goals. Don't let the fear of the unknown hold you back. The information you've gained today is your foundation, your springboard into the exciting world of real estate investing. In real estate, knowledge is your most valuable asset. Learn about market trends, investment strategies, and property management. Information is readily available. Use resources like books, courses, and webinars. Connect with experienced investors. But knowledge without action is like a car without an engine. Take what you've learned and put it into practice. Don't be afraid to take that first step. Set clear, achievable goals. Break down your goals into manageable steps. Success in real estate is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires patience and persistence. Overcome challenges to gain valuable experience. Real estate investing is more than just a means to financial gain. It's a path to personal and professional growth, a way to create a legacy for yourself and your loved ones, and a force for positive change in your community. As you embark on this journey, remember that you're not just building a portfolio of properties. You're building a brighter future, a future where you have the financial freedom to pursue your passions, support your family, and make a difference in the world. The potential within you is limitless. Believe in yourself, embrace the challenges ahead, and never lose sight of your why, your reason for stepping into the world of real estate investing. So, what are you waiting for? Your real estate journey starts now. Take that first step, embrace the learning process, and unlock the extraordinary potential that lies within you. The world of real estate investing awaits. Go forth and build your future, one property at a time. Congratulations, you made it to the end of the video. With that, you are ahead of 90% of most people in America. Here is the bonus tip that we promise. You need to hear this if you're an investor. Real estate is your ticket to wealth. Real estate investing builds wealth, generates passive income, and ensures long-term financial stability. Start your path to prosperity today. Invest smart, live richer. The information in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only, and is not intended as financial advice. We are not financial advisors, and the content should not be construed as professional financial advice. Always seek the advice of a qualified financial advisor or other professional regarding your specific financial situation. The use of any information provided in this video is solely at your own risk. Please remember to like and subscribe for more Money Smart Basics videos.